offset. So she has her arm, if she put it in front of her, it's on my right hand side. And my arm is longer than her because she's on that side. I bend my arm. So this is the right hand on the shoulder blade. She's leaning a little bit back, and we all look at the left side. We either look at the left side or look at each other on the social dance, it's fine, but not anywhere else. Either left side, okay. The box, first we did the box. 1 is going down. 1, 2, 3. 1 is going down. 2 and 3 is going up then. Before you want to go next step, you come down. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we did the quarter turn. Quarter turn is reverse turn, quarter turn. Turn to the left. The first step is going forward. Okay, 1. Then, but your body needs to start turning already. Even though your step is going forward, your body needs to start turning. Second is a side step. The third step is together. Okay, 1. My body start turning already. So the second step turn is not that big. 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a reverse turn. The pattern we did today using the quarter turn and box. Do an underarm turn. First is a box. 1, 2, 3. Second box, we lead her to the left side. 1, 2, 3. I take a smaller step so she's on my left side. The third measure, all I did is I do a quarter turn. I go forward. I don't try to turn her. I go forward, then I turn her. Quarter turn. Then she will turn. So she's here. She's using her right leg. So all I need is forward, then side. Then we need to find each other because we separate. We need to find each other. So it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. That's a quarter turn. Then we did a zigzag. That's called progressive twinkle. We started. This is our line of dance. First, we adjust to 45 degrees. 1, 2, 3. This is an under turn, reverse turn. Then quarter turn. Then I walk outside of her. Second step, I take a little bit smaller step, so I put her on the left side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we did a check. Check, I use the right hand to stop her. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 2 more. 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. When we usually 3 times. The third time I lead her to spin around me. But today we did a simple version, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we can continue this pattern. Continue with the next pattern. Let me show you this. So, 1, this is a preparation. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3. All right. Next time we will do the twist turn. Leader will twist